Hello, this is Ian with DC Digital, and today we're going to be showcasing our custom DC-40T-DN-BCD continuous manual countdown timer. So what the customer aims to accomplish by utilizing this product is to simply have a timer that would count down continuously through any kind of multi-input device or plug-and-play device that the user desires to have set inside the main enclosure via the opto board. So as you can see, we have our custom countdown timer. It is currently set to count down at 5 seconds. We're just going to showcase the functions of that. For this demonstration, we have our 50mm palm switch that is wired into the opto board via terminal 1. So I'm going to press and hold down the button. And as you can see, that causes the countdown timer to start. Once it reaches 0, the end of period flash will cause the digits to flash. And once I let go of it, the timer will reset back to the time it was set to via the BCD rotary switches. Now, at the top of the main enclosure, we have our BCD rotary switches that allows us to set the minutes and the seconds. So we're going to showcase that right now. So I have our flathead screwdriver, and this is what we use to set the BCD rotary switches. So let's say I want to have this countdown at 10 minutes and 35 seconds. So in that case, we just go into the first digit right here and just give it a good old twist to the left. As you can see, that caused the digit to be set at 10 minutes right now. I'm going to go into the third digit right here, which is under set seconds. I'm going to twist it until it says 35. And as you can see, we now have it set to count down 10 minutes and 35 seconds. So I'm going to press and hold down the 50mm button. And as you can see, it's now counting downward. And if I let go of the button, it causes it to reset to the preset time we have it set to count down from via the BCD rotary switches. So I'm just going to put the front enclosure right behind here, and I'm just going to briefly showcase the back or the inside of the digits. So as you can see, this is a really simple setup. We have just an opto board that this is all connected to. So as you can see right here with our little sticker instructions, 50mm palm switch is connected to terminal 1, and terminal 2 and 3 are not usable. So in other words, the client is not meant to use these two terminals. However, they can have an input device through the 24-volt terminal on the top right here. This is in case they want to have a unit that is powered through 24 volts, essentially. And the user is able to use a flathead screwdriver to simply unscrew the negative and the positive wires from the terminal block, and then they can input any other device that they want inside the main enclosure. So very quickly going over the hardware aspect of this model. Its enclosure is a tough 14 gauge aluminum fingerprint resistant black powder coated case. The display size is 4 inches that could be viewed up to a total of 200 feet away. The number of digits that the unit counts down from is 4 digits, and it can count down from a grand total of 99 minutes and 59 seconds. Its power type is a 120 to 240 VAC power wall adapter with a 6-feet cord. And lastly, for accessories, we have our BCD rotary switches at the top of the enclosure, and we also have our multi-input terminal controls via an opto board on the inside of the enclosure. So again, this is Ian with DC Digital, demonstrating our custom DC-40T-DN-BCD continuous manual countdown timer. Thanks for watching.